Peak Towers is a high-quality condominium project by Vista. The location is down on Cozy Beach in Pattaya Hill, ideally located between Pattaya and Jomtien, just 5 minutes walk to the beach. Since the launch of the Peak Towers, which is almost 1 year now, we've had successful sales in Tower A, which amount to over 60%. More recently, we released Tower B, and we've achieved 30% plus sales in there too. Room sizes are ranging from 30 square metres right up to 174 square metre penthouses on the top floor.
Okay, so we're into a new year and it's a new chapter in the story of the Peak Towers. So here we are down at Cozy Beach at the actual construction site. So let me show and explain you what's going on. Okay, so as you can see now, we've cleared the land and on schedule we've started the drilling and the piling for the Peak Towers. We're working with one of the best companies in Thailand, Thai, for this process, and the large machine there, that's drilling down, and we can do 2 of these per day. We started on schedule at the end of October, and this process will finish at the end of February. Over here you'll see this area will be the car park and the main swimming pool. Tower A will be along the back there, and then this area here will be Tower B. So far it's looking good. Okay, so you've seen today that we started the construction. We've got great payment plans available, very flexible, very attractive, and for the next month or so we're running a great promotion where we're giving away free furniture. The Peak Towers is an amazing project, 2 towers, 3 swimming pools, 5 levels of parking, rooftop gym, fitness centre. As you see today, we're just 5 minutes from Cozy Beach, ideal location between Pattaya and Jomtien, and with all the promotions it's just a great time to buy.